Dixon, respect. He doesn't really have to use or overuse the brakes until it gets down to quite a close speed. Reverse thrust, we bucket them across the engine thrust to help slow them down. Obviously your brakes and braking systems have changed with technology. Got it, did you? And the